Hey, my name is Heather Kimber, and most people actually call me the software nerd. And I just can't tell you how excited I am for you putting your email address in on the previous page to get free access to the coolest new software called Poplinks. And, a little while ago, I actually attended a private event in Las Vegas, and the founders of Poplinks, Perry Belcher and Chad Nicely, hosted this private event, and they taught us how to use Poplinks, and they also showed us the crazy income generating capabilities that this software has. So I'm going to play a video just after this of Chad and Perry talking about the software, and then you're going to see a link below. And actually, they're offering the recordings of that private event on that link below. So click through to that. It'll tell you all about the 3-day event that we attended and how you can get the recordings. But I'm super excited. But let me pass you off to Perry and Chad, and they're going to tell you a little bit about Poplinks. Also, take a look in your email because I'll be sending your login information, but I'll also be sending you a quick start guide, and it'll be a step-by-step document that will get you up and running in Poplinks. So make sure you look for my emails from the software nerd and open them up and follow through with those quick start documents. I'm super excited, and I will talk to you soon.
Hi, this is Perry Belcher here with my partner Chad Nicely, and listen, whoever sent you to this page, however you got here, whoever referred you here, you should go find them and give them a huge kiss on the mouth because you're about to get a giant gift. You're about to get a very valuable gift of a piece of software called Poplinks. This is a piece of software we built, spent hundreds of thousands of dollars developing, and we're going to give it to you for free so you'll have the ability to have success like these folks.
Well, at this business workshop, I got 54 leads.
I got 58.
31. 22.
Got 97.
26 leads on the first day, which is awesome.
But in one day, actually less than one day,
And I got my first sale today.
I got 114 clicks, 84 opt-ins, and 4 sales.
My takeaway, that's the part I'm stuck on. Because I was asleep most of the time. You know?
How do you use it?
Which I got 20 leads while I kind of dozed off during the workshop, and I still got the leads.
So what are they so excited about? What are people so crazy excited about? You're about to be able to find out. There's a button below this video right now where you'll be able to find out what everybody is so stoked about and why they're going so crazy over this little piece of software. And Chad's even went as far as building a CRM piece of software to go behind it for you. So tell them what a CRM is. What's a CRM?
Well, a CRM has to do with the follow-up, right? So the Poplinks software, you're going to be collecting leads. You're going to be getting emails. Well, you need a way to follow up with those emails, and usually you have to go out there and pay a lot of money to have an autoresponder. Well, we've built all of that in for you.
And what are we charging for that, Chad?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's included
Same
with this
as-
offer,
yeah.
because
So
we
what-
really want you to be successful, and this is what you need.
Exactly. So, and you're probably thinking, well, why are they going to give me all this stuff? Why are they going to give me this training? Why are they going to give me this software for? Why are they going to give me all this stuff? Because we're trying to build an army of people, an army of marketers, where we can go out and find the very best products to sell. Sometimes they'll be our products, sometimes they'll be other people's products, to feed to you the products that convert the highest, the products that pay the highest commissions, the products that make you the most money. And that's our ulterior motive for doing this. So we're building this army based around this software, and you'll understand when you're inside of it. It's too much to kind of give away right now, but as you get inside and you understand what everybody's doing and why everybody's so excited, how much, how successful people are being. At our workshop here, you're going to have the ability to take a look at this workshop that we did here in Las Vegas. At the workshop here, 90+% of the people in the workshop set up their pages and got leads while they were in the workshop. 14 people out of
sales.
40 people in the workshop actually made sales sitting there in the chair. And you get to do the exact same thing they did remotely, with exactly the same material, exactly the same system, exactly the same frameworks. But you get copy, all kinds of, you really need to just go click the button below right now and learn everything that's included and how you can get started and get involved and get success like the people that you saw above. Anything else to add, Chad?
No, no. But remember, check your email. You'll have access to Poplinks. And then if this is something you want to do, if you're like, yeah, I want to turn this into a business, then yeah, click the button down below and we got some more information on the other page.
Absolutely. Thanks.